Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you about 2 class general knowledge questions and answer. These questions are very important for your kids. Before start these questions, I request all of you please subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon, like and share with your friends. Thank you. Now let's start our video. Question number 1. Who invented the telephone? Your answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 2. Which planet is closest to Earth? Your answer is Venus. Question number 3. How many layers are there in atmosphere? Your answer is 5 layers. Question number 4. Which is the largest bone in human body? Your answer is femur bone. Question number 5. How many states are there in India? Your answer is 28 states. Question number 6. Mount Everest is located in? Your answer is Nepal. Question number 7. Which is national game of Pakistan? Your answer is hockey. Question number 8. Which is the shortest bone in the human body? Your answer is stapes bone. Question number 9. The energy of the sun comes from the fusion of hydrogen and helium. How many hours in a 1 week? Your answer is 168 hours. Question number 11. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Question number 12. What is a young eagle called? Your answer is eaglet. Question number 13. What do you call a shape with 5 sides? Your answer is pentagon. Question number 14. Which is the biggest planet in our solar system? Your answer is Jupiter. Question number 15. What is the largest 2-digit number? 99. Question number 16. What is the largest country by population in the world? Your answer is China. Question number 17. What do you call the person who brings your letter from one place to another place? Your answer is postman. Question number 18. Who invented light bulb? Your answer is Thomas Edison. Question number 19. How many minutes are there in a day? Your answer is 1440 minutes. Question number 20. What we get from honeybee? Your answer is honey. I hope viewers you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.